Sunny.
Sunny.
It's a bright sunny day outside.
We enjoyed a sunny afternoon at the park. Dew.
Dew. The dew sparkled on the flowers in the morning.
The grass is covered with morning dew.
Frosty.
Frosty. We woke up to a frosty landscape after the snowstorm.
She wore a warm coat on the frosty morning. Cloudy.
Cloudy. It looks cloudy, so we might need an umbrella.
It's a cloudy day, perfect for staying indoors.
Thunderstorm.
Thunderstorm.
A thunderstorm brewed in the distance.
The thunderstorm passed quickly.
Hail.
Hail.
Hail fell suddenly.
The sky turned dark, and hail began to fall.
Blizzard.
Blizzard.
The blizzard lasted all night.
The blizzard covered all the cars.
Heatwave.
Heatwave. The heatwave scorched the fields.
The heat wave is unbearable outside.
Drought.
Drought.
The drought caused water shortages.
The drought lasted for months. Flood.
Flood.
The flood covered the streets.
The flood damaged the crops.
Lightning.
Lightning.
Lightning lit up the sky.
Lightning struck the tree. Tornado.
Tornado. The tornado passed through the town.
A tornado alarm sounded loudly. Cyclone.
Cyclone. The cyclone brought heavy rain.
A cyclone hit the coast. Monsoon.
Monsoon. The monsoon drenched the fields.
The monsoon arrived early this year. Mist.
Mist. The mist rolled in at dawn.
The lake was covered in a gentle mist at dawn.
Fog.
Fog. The fog thickened as evening fell.
The fog obscured the road.
Chilly.
Chilly.
A chilly wind blew through the trees.
The air is chilly this morning.
Breeze.
Breeze.
A warm breeze filled the air.
The breeze rustled the leaves. Rainbow.
Rainbow. A rainbow appeared after the rain.
The rainbow stretched across the sky.
Gale.
Gale. A strong gale blew through the town.
The gale caused major disruptions. Sleet.
Sleet. The sleet made the roads slippery.
Sleet started falling during the night. Avalanche.
Avalanche.
An avalanche blocked the path.
The avalanche roared down the mountain.
Rainy.
Rainy. The weather is rainy today.
We had a rainy morning, but it's clearing up now.
Volcano.
Volcano.
The volcano is still active.
The volcano released thick smoke.
Windy.
Windy. The windy gusts shook the trees.
The windy weather blew the papers away. Forest fire.
Forest fire.
The forest fire caused massive smoke.
The forest fire was contained by evening. Snowy.
Snowy. The snowy landscape was so beautiful.
The snowy hills glistened in the sun. Earthquakes.
Earthquake. Earthquakes are measured on the Richter scale.
The earthquake caused tremors. Hot.
Hot. It's too hot to go outside today.
The weather is really hot this afternoon, so we decided not to be outside for long.
Landslide.
Landslide.
Heavy rain caused a landslide that blocked the road.
The landslide happened overnight. Cold.
Cold.
It's cold this morning.
The air is cold this morning, so don't forget your jacket.
Clear sky.
Clear sky.
The clear sky promised good weather.
The clear sky this morning is so beautiful.
Warm.
Warm.
It's warm and cozy today.
The weather is warm.
Downpour.
Downpour.
A downpour started suddenly.
The downpour lasted for hours. Cool.
Cool.
The weather is cool this evening.
The air feels cool today. Overcast.
Overcast.
It's an overcast morning.
The sky is completely overcast. Stormy.
Stormy.
It looks stormy outside.
The weather is stormy today. Muggy.
Muggy.
The air feels muggy this afternoon.
It's a muggy morning. Dry.
Dry.
The air feels very dry.
The weather is dry today. Sunshine.
Sunshine.
We have plenty of sunshine.
What a bright sunshine. Drizzle.
Drizzle.
It's starting to drizzle.
A light drizzle fell all morning. Mild.
Mild.
The climate is mild this season.
The temperature is mild today. Humidity.
Humidity.
The humidity increased in the evening.
The humidity is unbearable this afternoon.
Hurricane.
Hurricane.
The hurricane uprooted many trees.
The hurricane left heavy flooding behind. Freezing.
Freezing.
The weather is freezing and windy today.
It's freezing outside this morning.